The most amazing facts about the human brain. The human brain is considered the most complicated structure in the cosmos. It regulates every thought, memory, and action, yet we don't comprehend it. This video covers 10 of the brain's most fascinating facts and why it's such an incredible organ. Number 1. The brain has over 86 billion neurons. Start with the basics. About 86 billion neurons make up the human brain. Neurons transmit information. Each neuron may generate hundreds of connections with other neurons, creating a massive, complicated network that allows cognition, movement, and memory. If all neurons were connected, this brain network would be almost 100,000 miles long. Number 2. The brain's storage capacity is massive. Have you ever heard that the human brain has the ability to retain more information than the whole of the internet put together? For the purpose of memory, it is believed that the brain has a storage capacity of around 2.5 petabytes, which is equivalent to 2.5 million gigabytes. And what is the most exciting part? It is never going to run out of room. Number 3, it can process information faster than any supercomputer. Your brain is capable of processing information at a pace that is really remarkable. At rates of up to 268 kilometers per hour, neurons are capable of transmitting electrical messages. This is quicker than the mathspacity of automobiles can go on roads. Your brain is the quickest information processor that has ever been discovered by man. Number 4. The brain uses about 20% of the body's energy. A staggering 20% of your body's energy is used by the brain, despite the fact that it only makes up roughly 2% of your total body weight. Even while you are sleeping, your brain is working hard to perform a variety of functions, including the regulation of your body temperature, the processing of your thoughts, and the management of your pulse. Number 5. Your brain can form new neurons throughout life. For a considerable amount of time, researchers were under the impression that the capacity of the brain to generate new neurons, a process that is referred to as neurogenesis, ceased after infancy. Based on this research, there is a possibility that cognitive skills might be improved, and even neurological disorders such as Alzheimer's disease could be treated. Number 6. Your brain produces enough electricity to power a light bulb. There is a steady flow of electrical impulses coming from your brain. Indeed, the electrical activity that occurs in your brain is so potent that it is capable of supplying electricity to a light bulb. While you are awake, the human brain is responsible for producing around 20 watts of electrical power. Neurons are able to communicate with one another via the use of electrical impulses, which results in the production of this electricity. Number 7. The brain can heal itself to some degree. The capacity of the brain to heal itself after being damaged is among the most remarkable characteristics of this organism. This process frequently restores lost functions. As an example, if a portion of the brain is injured, for instance as a result of a stroke or an accident, other regions of the brain can take up some of the duties that have been lost, although the process may take some time. 8. The human brain is more active when you're asleep. Your brain is really busier while you're sleeping than when you're up, which may seem paradoxical. The brain organizes memories, analyzes information, and even eliminates poisons as we sleep, especially during REM sleep. Your brain is really busily organizing and fortifying memories while you sleep, which is thought to be essential for learning and emotional control. Number 9. Your brain's plasticity decreases with age, but never stops completely. Recent research has shown that the brain may adapt throughout life. Even though neuroplasticity, the brain's capacity to alter and adapt, is more noticeable in younger individuals. Pushing your brain or acquiring a new skill may actually lessen the impacts of age-related deterioration. Therefore, you're maintaining your mental acuity far into maturity by learning a new language or playing an instrument. Number 10. The brain is the only organ that doesn't feel pain. It's odd to consider that the brain itself is painless. There are no pain receptors on it. This feature is the reason you can stay awake during brain surgery. The tissues surrounding the brain, including the scalp, meninges, and blood vessels, cause any pain you experience during a headache or injury. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe.